Angharad from Angharads Life, and I'm so excited. In today's video we'll be sharing with you all some amazing flatbreads that we made in Barnsley, won't we, Mum?
We will. It was so lovely to enjoy the flatbread with the curry, wasn't it?
It really was. The flatbreads are so easy to make too, aren't they?
They really are.
Shall we go back in time to show everyone?
I think that's a great idea.
No matter where we go, no matter where it ends, as long as I've got you.
Here we have in the bowl 2.5 cups of flour. In the bowl here now we have the 1 teaspoon of yeast, teaspoon of salt and teaspoon of sugar. Here we have some lukewarm water, and then we need to knead it to a dough, a soft dough. Adding any more water when needed.
Shall we use your hands?
Definitely.
You and I till the end, don't need to pretend. Again and again, we'll stick together. Everything is alright with you by my side. We won't say goodbye, we'll stick together. I can pick you up when you're heading down. When it all just sucks, I'll be your Charlie Brown. You can make me laugh when I wanna cry. In a world gone mad, we're on an all-time high, and it wouldn't be the same without you. We have yet so many stupid things to do. You're the only thing I'm holding on to. Anywhere and anything, I'll be there. You and I till the end, don't need to pretend. Again and again, we'll stick together. Everything is alright with you by my side. We won't say goodbye, we'll stick together.
We've just rolled it into a sausage shape. Now we're going to cut it into individual pieces to roll lots of flatbreads. Now I'm going to roll them into a ball, put them to one side, and then we can roll them out into individual flatbreads. Just going to sprinkle it with flour and then roll them out. It's a perfectly easy recipe and super delicious to go with anything, really.
You can use them to make doner, vegan doner kebabs and
Curry like tonight.
curry like tonight, or even just to have with like a wrap,
Oh, that'd be nice.
like a veggie wrap or a salad.
So, yeah.
Even soup. I've
Yeah,
had them with soup.
that would go really well actually, with it being the winter months and that.
Yeah.
I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon, side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right.
What do you
I've
think?
got a small
I think that's
pan
perfect.
and a big pan. So
Small pan and a big pan, so off
this
you
is
go.
a big pan.
Perfect!
And then that's going to
Perfect.
stay in there and cook for a few minutes, isn't it?
Should we go for another one?
I think that's a great idea with that one starting to cook.
Do you want me to tender the ones in the pan?
Yes, please. Little dusting of flour. You could call the flour snow this time of year.
Well, the weather outside is frightful
Frightful.
today.
That's just been flipped. How's it looking?
It's looking amazing.
Enjoying the heat from the pan, that's lovely. Do you think that's done?
I think that'll fit in my little pan perfect. Look at that. It's pumping out.
It is.
It looks
Brilliant.
delicious.
It really does.
It smells delicious too.
That looks
lovely.
so light and fluffy.
Just about to try the flatbread.
It'll smell amazing.
Mmm. That's so good. What do you think, Mum?
They are really good. You're going to enjoy them with the curry.
So easy and simple, and so delicious too. Those flatbreads are so good, and I really can't wait to make them again. They're super easy and really delicious too. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. It helps so much. Comments really do help a lot too, and we always love hearing from you. If you are new and enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing under the video or at the end of the video. It is free, and press the notification bell to notify when we post new videos. This time in the comments, we'd love so much to know what you would have with flatbreads.
I think that's a great question.
We really hope to see you all here again very soon. Bye! Take care! And bye from Sarah too!